Hello guys, welcome to the trade recap video for the 6th of the March. So without any delay, let's recap the video. So this is when our London session started for the GBPUSD pair. So yeah, the London session start, we do one or two things. What is the Asian session high? This is the high of the Asian session. And there is liquidity below this high as well. So we mark this liquidity as well, which is basically the Asian session liquidity. So let's mark it as Asian liquidity and let's make it on the end now. Let's middle, right? So this is our Asian liquidity. So looking this information only, what we know is oftentimes the market, if the price break the Asian session high first, then it will clear this Asian liquidity out. If there is any kind of liquidity in the market, trendline liquidity, or if the price break this Asian liquidity out, it can break this like this as well, or it can come all the way down here, or it can come all the way down here. We don't know. It will just break this Asian liquidity. Then it oftentimes go off and clear this Asian session high. This is not a rule, but oftentimes we have seen in the market the price doing that. So let's imagine a scenario if the price break this trend line out. Then what are the possible demand zone that we can look at to target this up? So if you look here, then one of the demand zone is here. This is the demand zone here. We can look for long from here, or we can look for long from here as well. These are the two demand zone, right? So we can either wait, look for that, or we can look for that. These are the two scenarios in the market, right? So if the price break the structure high first, then what we can look? Well, we can look for sell this supply zone. This is already tested. So there is this supply zone in the market. So we can look for short from here to target this trend line, which if we produce forward, then it will come here. So we can target something like this. So these are the three conditions we'll be looking for. So let's delete this for a while. And if we go and look at that is only by looking at this much of information alone. So let me look at more information in the market. So we just zoom in the price. So if you look at that, then okay, the 4 hour is bullish. Again, the 4 hour is bullish on the 4 hour. So we are going up. Okay. And we are coming to react of this supply zone, which is here, right? We are coming to react of this supply zone from which we can expect some form of significant pullback. So again, let's zoom in. Okay. So again, if we look at that, then on the 1 hour we are going bullish, right? And the price has come to the extreme of the zone, right? Extreme of the zone. So it's possible that we can come down here, or we have already come down here, and we can just break this high. It is also possible. That is by looking at the multi-time frame analysis. So our multi-time frame analysis says that we can break this high. And our Asian session analysis says that okay, there is the straight line liquidity which is supposed to be taken out. So let's keep following the price. Let's keep following the price. So okay, the price has taken the Asian session liquidity out. So what is the next possibility? The next possibility is obviously we can expect reaction somewhere from here. It's possible from here as well, or it's possible that the price will go all the way up, but we don't know. So we look at the supply zone, and looking at the supply zone, okay, this is only one supply zone. It is extreme as well. So we can expect to sell from here to target this trend line. Okay. So and if you look at the higher time frame, then in the higher time frame, according to the higher time frame, this high is weak. So according to the higher time frame, we can expect something like this. So because of that, we are also looking for long. We are also looking for long from here, and we are aware that we can get some form of source there. So this is also in the back of our mind, but at this point of time, we are looking for long from here. And this zone is no longer valid because the price broke the structure to the upside first. So we are looking for long from here. So let me go to the 5 minute to see if there is some kind of inducement or not. Inducement means we are looking something like okay, had the price moved up like that or had the price move up like that. We are looking for that, and we realize that there is nothing like this structure. The price has moved up like in a one single go. So we go into the 1 minute. So in the 1 minute, we look for some form of structure here, and what we are looking for is something like this. we are waiting for something like either this, which is basically like the price from the equal low, the price from the equal low, and the price take the liquidity out, and the price clear this high. Then we are waiting for something like entry from here to take long. Either we are waiting for this, or we are waiting for something like the price break the structure to the upside, again broke the structure to the downside, then we can look for long. Okay, so we are waiting for one of these two things. Either equal low, the low being taken out, then we go up, or first the price broke the structure to the upside, which is the fake break, then break the structure to the downside. So play okay, the price tapped into, there is nothing like that. So the price tapped into okay, there is nothing like that. There is nothing like equal low, because equal low means something like that. So it's not equal low. So okay, the price went off. Okay, nothing special about it here up to this time. Nothing special is here. So okay, the price broke the structure to the up downside. Okay, okay. So the price, look, the price give the breakup structure to the upside. Here, the prices broke the structure to the upside, which is basically like this fake break. Now we are waiting for break of this. So we are waiting for the price to break this zone. So the price changed. So now we are waiting for the price to break this structure low. This structure low first. So okay, okay, the price didn't. Okay, the price did. So we are getting something like that, because the price was to break the structure to the upside. Yeah, we see it here. Then the price break the structure to the downside. We see it here. The price is at the demand zone. Yes, it is. Now we can definitely look for the long. So now let's look for the long. So we are not jumping into the trade right now. We are putting our buy stop. So the price broke the structure to the high. Again, the price broke the structure to the low, right? So we are putting our buy stop above this candle high here. And we are putting our stop loss 2 pips below this. So 24, 24, and 44. Or 20, what is this? 14 is 24 and 34. That means 3.4 pips. Then we can target all the way up here, all the way to that demand zone, because we know that from there the price can react. Okay, so we are targeting all the way up here. So we are targeting here, which is basically like 1.9 hour. So that's it. Okay, no. We are targeting. We are targeting is we are basically targeting like now the price can react up there. So we are basically targeting here, down here, because the price can react up that. So it's basically the 5 hour. So play the price forward. So okay, the price we got tagged into the trade. We are in the trade, and the price is going up. We are into the trade, and the price is going up, right? So the price is going up. Okay, so we are into this beautiful trade, and the price is going up. So let me make it small. So let me go to the 15 minute. So in the 15 minute, again. So I messed it up, guys. I messed it up here, guys. So we are looking for sell from here. So let me mark this zone first. So I messed everything up. So we are looking for sell from here. So that's good. Okay. So let me replay the chart again. Okay. So let me go to the M1 first, because it's got the problem. So let me make it visible on the M1 only, because it's causing so much problem. So I don't like this thing because of this reason. So yeah, let me make it visible on the M1 only. Let me make it visible on the M1 only, because this thing causes so much problem. You guys don't know how much problem am I facing because of this thing. So let me make it visible on the M1 only, because it causes so much problem. Right. So I'm going to the 15 minute. We won't see that thing. Okay, so let me replay the price from like here. At this point, there is again this breakup structure, right? So the momentum is strong, so we can keep following, looking for longs. Okay, we can look for longs from here. So the first thing we look for is in the 5 minute, is there any kind of inducement? There's no thing like that in the inducement. So yeah, on the 15 minute, we look at the price break this structure high. Yes, there's no thing like inducement, right? So let's go to the M1 and see like okay, M1 and see like okay, the price to came back down. The price came back down to the region. So what are you waiting for? Wait, we are waiting for the price to do something like this. Price break the structure to the fake break the structure to the low, then come back point up, right? The price came reacted that. We want the fake break now. First, we are looking for fake break. Okay, the price did the fake break, right? Okay, fake break. Or let me bring this thing to here. It will be easy for you to guys. Okay. So the price get a fake break here. Yes. So we want the price to again break this structure to the downside as well. Give the same fake break to the downside as well here. So playing the price forward. Okay, the price did break the structure to the downside. Now, as previously said, we'll look for buy stop above this candle high. Our stop loss is going to be 2 pips below, and we are going to be targeting this high. Yeah, let me make it visible on the M1 only because I don't want any kind of problem. Right. So let me see. Okay, the price didn't. Okay, at this point of time, the price didn't went up. So we keep following this. So we will put our buy stop of this candle high, right? Or this candle high here. Our stop loss will be 2 pips below. So yeah. So now we are still on the trade. So okay, so again we'll change it. The price break the previous candle low. So our buy stop will be here above this candle high. Then we'll our stop loss will be 2 pips below. Yeah, okay. So playing the price forward. Okay, we are tagged into the trade. And okay, it's going up. So let me see whether there is some other structure in the M15 or not. So going to the M15, okay, there is nothing like that. This candle break, previous candle high, previous candle high, previous candle high. Okay, we're here. We're basically here. Okay, we are here. So let me go to the M1. So let me go to the M1. Okay, so both of our trade. Okay, we are still on both of this trade. So let me wait until we are out of the trade. Okay, we are definitely out of the trade. Okay, so this was 1 is to 4, we win this trade. This was 1 is to 5 R, 5 or at least 6 R. So in this trade, 6 plus 4, we get 1 is to 10 R for today. So that's enough for today. Okay, but we're still looking for short here because we firmly believe that okay, we understand the data that the market oftentimes does this thing and we want to play on this data. So let's play on that data as well. So the momentum is strong to the upside. So we don't want to be like selling it here directly to come down. No, we don't want to do that because okay, we believe the momentum is strong. So we want to see some form of a structure like this. Then we can target here to target this trend line. Okay. So let's play the price forward. Okay, the price. Okay, the price. Okay, break this structure here. Okay, so after the break, what do we want? You want this trend line to be taken out, right? So you want this trend line to be taken out. So let me go from where we can look at that. Okay, we can look at that from here. From this supply zone, we can look for sell to target this trend line. So our trade will be like something like the price will go up. We'll sell it here to target this trend line. Okay, that's all. So go to the 5 minute. In 5 minute, is there any kind of liquidity? Yes, there is. There is inducement here. The inducement is basically the price came here down, went up, came down. So this is the inducement. So if there is inducement like that, then we want first that inducement to be taken out, right? This is our inducement. Okay. So we want that inducement to be taken out first. So waiting for the price to take that inducement out. Okay, the inducement is taken out here. So now for the sell price, now for the same as we did earlier, We'll put our sell stop below this zone, and our stop loss will be like 2 pips above. So 46, 56, and 66, 6.6 pips. So yeah, we'll target this trend line. So not a great trade. 1.33 R. But it is supported by data. So nothing much. Okay, we are tagged into the trade. Now let's pray to the God that we get this trade. It's going right. It's going okay. We are out of this trade. Okay. But no worries, there is still in the demand zone. There is still we can sell at this extreme as well. So at this extreme, there is no other new investment here. So let me go to the M1 to see whether we get trade or not. Okay, so here we are waiting for some form of structure like that. So playing the price forward, make it fast. Let me make it fast. So there's nothing like that, and the trend line is broken. There's nothing as that as we look on here. So in total, there were three trades today. Okay, we took long from here, we took long from here. So they were quite good trade. We get 1:4 in one trade, 1:5 in one trade, and we lose one trade here. Okay, so that was all. And by this time, okay, so yeah, so this sensation time is over. Now we look for the like. So the trend line is taken out. So this trend line is no longer valid, and this is also taken out, so this one is also no longer valid. So now we are looking for sort. Okay, so now we can basically look for sort from here as well, because the price may potentially go down. Okay, the price has broken this structure low, so we'll wait for sort there. But look, okay, but look at this momentum in the price, this big candle to the upside. So if we say that, okay, technically it's invalid because the momentum is strong now, and it's possible that, okay, after breaking this, okay, after breaking like this M15 structure, the price could come into pullback. It's also possible. So taking concept into that, we just wait it, we just measure it, and the price is below the 50% of the zone. So we are not looking for sell there. We are playing the price forward. By this time, the London session ended and the price break the structure to the high. So that's all. So that was yesterday.